my god. It's a baby alive. What do you think about that? Baby. Yay. Going to school. Baby alive. You wanna open? Open? Okay. Alright, we'll open. Boom. It's baby alive. Ready for school, baby. Keep it in good condition. Baby alive. With a book and a brush, all ready for school. Diaper? Does the baby have a diaper? Oh, give the baby a hug. Abrazo. Abrazo. Besito.